Okay, now you should have finished your first bilingual partner activity. So at this time, you should put your duty clock back in the box. Come back and click play once you've finished. Okay, so now that you've put your duty clock back in the box and you've already completed this activity, what did you notice about the little hand each time? Did you notice how when it was on the 15, when the big hand was on the 15-minute mark, that the little hand had moved slightly to the right? Did you notice that when it was on 30, that the big hand was between two numbers? Did you notice that when the long hand was on the 45-minute mark, that the smaller hand was almost on to the next number? Okay, next, you're going to complete the assignment that I have for you on Seesaw. Let me show you what that looks like. When you go to Seesaw, you're going to find this assignment. It has your video on it that we have already talked about. It has the second video that talked about 15, 30, and 45 minutes. And then it has your first bilingual partner activity. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to write the time that these hands on the clock are showing into the digital clock. You're going to do the same thing on page 4, 5, 6, 7. On page 8, you're going to take this digital time and you're going to draw the hands on the clock. Remember, though, that since it says 45, your long hand is going to be pointing at the 45-minute mark, and your short hand for 7:45 is still going to be at the 7, except it's going to be just before the 8. On page 9, you're going to draw the hands on the clock for 3:15. On page 10, you're going to draw the hands on the clock for 8:30. And on pages 11 and 12, you're going to take turns challenging your partner. You can either write the numbers in the digital clock and challenge them to draw the hands, or you can draw the hands and challenge them to write the numbers on the digital clock. Remember, though, when you're challenging your partner, I still only want you to be doing some number o'clock, some number 15, some number 30, or some number 45. Once you have finished this, it's time for you to do reflection writing in your math notebook if there's any time left in the day.